Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Phone Tap Card. First, let's understand the basics of Tap to Pay. This convenient payment method relies on near-field communication, or NFC, technology. Most modern smartphones come equipped with NFC capabilities, allowing for quick and secure transactions. Before you start, always make sure your phone's NFC feature is turned on in your device settings. This ensures a smooth and efficient payment experience every time you tap. Next, let's get your digital wallet ready. You'll need to add your credit or debit cards to your phone's native wallet application, such as Apple Pay or Google Wallet. Follow the on-screen prompts to input your card details. Your bank will likely require a quick verification step to ensure security, perhaps a text message code. Once verified, you can even set a default card for even quicker payments when you're at the register. Now for the actual payment process. When you're ready to pay, look for the contactless payment symbol on the terminal, which often looks like 4 curved lines. Simply hold your phone close to the terminal for a few seconds. You'll usually hear a beep or see a confirmation message on your screen and the terminal. For larger purchases, or sometimes randomly, you might be asked for your PIN or fingerprint to authorize the transaction, adding an extra layer of security. Finally, here are some helpful tips and troubleshooting advice. If your tap payment isn't working, first check that your phone case isn't too thick or metallic, as it can sometimes interfere with the NFC signal. Try repositioning your phone or even toggling your NFC setting off and on again. Remember to always keep your phone's software updated for optimal performance. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.